Dear friends, today I want to talk about something like sometimes people ask me, like they feel so much of anxiety, and that panic attack kind of feeling basically affects them when they are going to do something very important, and suddenly they feel that they are having some kind of panic attack. That what should be done to control that panic attack? And especially when you are going to do something very important, if at that point of time you are getting some kind of attack, what will you do? Do you think that you can use medicine, or do you think you can use something else? Definitely there are many ways, but those ways are just distraction. What you need to do is just first of all sit calmly, take a deep breath, make yourself calm, because calmness is very important. And when you will start feeling like this, then you have to think that what worse can happen, because most of the time we starts getting or doing panic, or we starts panicking just out of habit. Yes, it becomes a habit. Fear is also a habit, and if you want to get out of this habit, you have to change your habit. And actions can replace actions. So whenever you feel like this, you need to, if you think there will be any situation where you will feel like this, then you have to prepare yourself for that situation. And suddenly sometimes you will not have that thing in your mind that this is going to happen. So in that amount of time, in that particular situation, you have to think that it's okay, calm down, it's not going to do anything worse to you, and this is just difficult time and it will pass. This is just a difficult time and it will pass. You just need to remind this and you will see the difference. And this will not happen just by saying once. You have to speak these things again and again. Repeat these things over the period of time, and then it will become deeply seated in your subconscious mind. And you will realize subconsciously, gradually, that your fear is fading. Now you are having control on yourself. Thank you.